My name is Andrew Schellack. I'm with Jetter Depot. We're out of Cumming, Georgia, and we do a lot of drain cleaning, drain inspection, pipe rehabilitation. Today we're talking about the All-Skid Centralizer that we have in 3, 4, and 6 inch. This is a good example of a 6 inch centralizer. It's got a washout shape when you're using this for a milling machine or a jetter hose. This single centralizer can take and be used with different fingers to work with different size hoses. So 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch hose, some very common hose sizes. Can also work again with different milling machines of different sizes. The idea with this kit though is that instead of having different centralizers for your camera or for your hose, you could actually use this one kit for a lot of your different tools. So this is what you would use for, say, a camera. It has some rubberized grips on the inside to really bite into the spring, but it is biodegradable. It's also buoyant, and again will be used for different size pipes.